Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Sarvente from Friday Night Funkin. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of her face. Draw a wide U shape. And then a curve across the top to close it off. Let's draw her eyes next. Draw a diagonal line on the right side. And then a curve on top that's angled toward the right. Do the same thing for the left eye, but make it a lot smaller like this. Next, add lines for the eyelashes. Let's draw the mouth now. Draw a small circle under the left eye. And then a curve across. Next, we're going to draw a large cross on the top left like this. The ends of the cross should be a diamond shape. Let's continue drawing her head now. Draw lines up on both sides of her face. Then a large pointed shape at the top. Next, draw two parts of the cross coming out from the top right here. Let's draw her body next. Draw two diagonal lines for her neck. Make the right one a little bit longer. Then curves out on either side. From the left line, step in and draw a line down. Then a diagonal line down from the right side. Now connect the lines with a curve across. Let's add some details on the collar now. Draw a pointed line down inside. And then two black circles. Now from the right side, continue that line down and back in. And then a straight line. For the left side of the body, draw a wavy line down here, and then a straight line at the bottom. Now connect them at the bottom with a curve. Now add one more curve across the top of her waist here. Next, inside, draw a V shape. And add a thick black cross inside. Let's draw her skirt next. For the left side, curve it out slightly and then straight down. Now for the right side, draw a straight line that's angled slightly outwards. And now a curve to close it off. Let's draw her left arm now. From the side of her chest, draw a small line out. And then a curve outwards. And one more angled line up. Then close off her sleeve with a S curve. Now add a small ruffle to the bottom of her sleeve like this. Next, draw two angled lines down and out. Now a line across for the top of her glove, that's wider than her arm. And then two more angled lines down. Let's draw the hand now. Draw a curve across the bottom of the two lines and continue it downwards on the left. Then draw the finger like this. Now the thumb to close off the shape of the hand. And add one more finger out to the left. Next, let's add some details to the glove. Draw a line down on the right side here. And then add two small X's. Let's draw the other arm now. On the right, draw a pointed line out here. And then close it off with a line across to the body. Now add the ruffle underneath. Before drawing the arm, draw a shape like this to the right side for the side of the microphone. Then add a curved rectangle shape to the left, and then another curved shape under it. Now we can draw the arm like this. Next, draw 4 fingers holding the microphone here. and then a bent line at the top left, and a small line above the fingers. Then add a circle at the top for the microphone. And add the detailed curves inside. Let's draw her legs next. From the left side of her skirt, draw a line down like this. For the other side of the leg, draw a line down, then angle it to the right, and at the bottom, curve it over and down for the top of her shoe. Now a short line across on the bottom left, and a small point up. And then close off the bottom of the shoe with a line across. Now for her right leg, draw a diagonal line down and then angle it back into the other leg. Do the same thing for the outside of the leg. And then curve it down like this for the top of her other shoe. Next, draw curved lines across the top of each leg. And now on each leg, a thick cross shape. Lastly, let's finish off her headpiece. From the top, draw a point over to the cross. Then continue that line behind the cross like this. Now a curve down, out, and back in below the hand. Now do the same thing on the other side. Now draw curves down on either side of her face, to the shoulder and the microphone. Next, from her left hand, draw a curve down to the other line we drew earlier. Draw another curved section under her hand. Now a curve from the left point over. And then an S-curve across to the leg. Continue that line behind the legs and over to the right side. Then from the bottom of the microphone, draw a short line down, and then a curve over to the bottom point. And that's it for Sarvente. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.